Hello guys, welcome to another RPG VX Ace tutorial. Yes, I know I'm spamming that in the menu. Now, we'll show you the shops I made. And the help since the first tutorial you've been experiencing around. This is the first shop. Now I gotta go find the fat guy, the business guy. Gotta move him. Move this guy. Wait. Yep, that's that. Now we're gonna show you the town they changed. It's more like a desert town a little now, but still with some features. And then I'm gonna actually build. Yes, build. I know why we need the bridge when they can easily get over to this side that or this. I'll show you why. Just kidding, not that. And oops, not that. That's actually blocking the way to the dungeon, so yeah, not that. Yes, this is actually a dungeon. This is the dungeon. You've already guys seen this. And this is the boss. I'm gonna show you guys the playthrough. I'm gonna show you guys the short playthrough dungeon. I'm not gonna speed it up or anything like that. Show you a playthrough dungeon. So yeah, you have to die during that battle. The battle. Yes. That actually really isn't the main world. Example of what you can do using world for worlds. Now we're not gonna show you that. So you get this door, and now the dungeon one castle. Yeah, I know. What? This guy is an example of a shop. And we have no money.
Okay, I'll put the phone away and we'll get ready to go. Eli, go get your shoes on.
We're gonna run around and show you guys an example of a battle. This is the main enemy throughout this game. Air is an auto attacker. We have found out during the last video. I don't think so. Gonna walk around. And we're gonna make it that you can't come back to this dungeon. Don't forget how you can't grind. For a certain boss battle you can't beat, you have to grind in that dungeon. Well, not this one because it's free XP and free stuff. Not actually free stuff, but you get what I mean. Like, you don't need to go to town, which will take a lot of walking and battling. Because, yeah, during the map, it's gonna be like 5 steps per. It's gonna be like 5 steps per battle. Yeah, they're in the world maps, but not that world map. Or not the main world map. It's gonna be like 100 steps per battle because it's loading. And yes, this is a rare battle in the game. Slimes are rare in this game. I know. The slimes are not rare. That's a businessman. Yeah, I know. Dumb. Oh, you can. At least this guy isn't blocking the way. You get out. Thank you. Now, this man, just kidding. Maybe that's like this guy. Don't mean to assault, but don't mean to assault fat people in the spawn. A businessman to be exact. That guy is a shopman and he's fat. And a businessman at the same time. That's what we call a fat shopman. I can't come fusion man. I think fusion man. Yes, fusion man. Fusion. Yes, fusion. I know that's not even a party. Fusion isn't even a word. Yes. Dip. Dip. No need to stop fighting it, but Mario fans are like, ooh, Mario song saying derp. And now, now I can't do the fuck, but I'm gonna just mess it up. Guess what? Guess what, Solar? Whoa. Where are you? Hey. Hello and follow me. Oh yeah. You gotta get a party member. I may do that in the future tutorial video, like every good be familiar with go into users and then turn off, pardon me. First, you get a party member or soul seeker. That would actually be you get the soul. That would be kinda bad. That would be kinda keeping people out. You get the soul. That would kinda be keeping people out. So now you get the familiar. That sounds even better than you get the soul. So I didn't make Getting familiar may not keep people out. Good. Dungeon is hard, and no, it's not going to be regenerated every time you go in, like in the Mystery Dungeon game. And this is a night at the last room. I don't think we even need the night. Yes, sorry, I hit my pillow, which knocked me over. Yes, I'm actually recording this on a using the webcam on a basket, which is on a pillow, which is on my desk drawer, which is connected to a desk, which I have a computer on top of it, which I'm showing you guys this video on, so on, in which you're probably watching the video on not this computer, but a different computer. Anytime I have it there, I'll show you. There. And it's the Windows. This appeals off. The startup screen later on, which will make the video a little bit longer, and I'm not going to listen to password out loud. Yes, I know I made Eric a little bit too OP, but it doesn't matter. The last stand gun is what makes him OP. The last stand gun, the last stand gun, the last stand gun. But boss will be a little bit too OP for them. Not, I don't mean it will actually be too OP. I'll just show you what I mean. Couple of hits for you to kill him. So I'm gonna show you from the side. It's boss time. Yeah, start faster. Yes, I actually did that. I know, that kinda looks weird, I know. It kinda looks weird, but who cares? The players, bears. Chicken food. And yes, you can actually not get over here. The groups that are still there. I need to fix that. I'll just start a new game. Why not save this one? Ah, I got it. I got what's wrong. Gonna delete that main web page, and then we're gonna turn control cell switch C, not B, we already did that. Well, we are going to do that. Okay, I think we did, but I'm not sure. And then it's gonna do nothing. subscribe. See you guys later. I'm just gonna record another one right away.